Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to get dark mode on TikTok. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So for that you have to just simply open up the TikTok application on your mobile phone, and after opening up the mobile phone you have to just simply click on the top below right corner of your profile. By just opening up your profile, you have to just simply click on the top right corner of three horizontal lines, and here you have to just simply click on the top right corner of settings. So in the setting you will be not able to see any of the option with like dark mode or any other option like that. So you have to just simply scroll down and you guys can check out any of the option, but I hope you will not be able to find the option which is dark mode. So you have to just simply don't worry about it and simply go back and open up your phone settings. So you have to just open up your phone settings, and the phone setting you have to just simply search for dark mode. So I have already applied the dark mode, but I'm just gonna telling you the options. So you have to simply click on the dark mode, and here you will be able to see the options which is the light mode and dark mode. You have to just simply turn it to the dark mode. I have already enabled the dark mode, but my TikTok is still not going to dark mode because it's some bug or clashes in my Android phone, but you will not face any issue like that. So the first option is you guys can open up the dark mode on your mobile phone, or you guys can go back. So after going to back you have to just simply click on the switch to dark mode option, and after clicking on that, here it has lots of apps available. So you have to just simply individually open up the dark mode of any specific application. So you have to just simply open the TikTok. So after turning it open, it will ask you for turn on. So you have to simply click on turn on. So after toggling it on your device, it will ask you for permission. You have to just simply make it on. So after making it on, you guys will be able to see that your dark mode on the TikTok will be enabled, and in this way you guys can make the dark mode on TikTok. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.